What is up, team? Chuck with Traders War Room, and I'm back at you with another video. Listen, this is your midweek sit rep, and man, do I got a great video in store for you. But right now, I need you to hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and I need you guys to come along with me on the journey. Listen, inside the description are tons of tools and tidbits to make you a better and more successful trader today. The end goal is to be better prepared today than we were yesterday, and we're doing that in spades. Now, if that sounds good and you're ready to rock with us, then all I got to say to you is follow me and let's go to war. Hey, Traders War Room wants to remind the viewer that all content on this channel is for entertainment and education purposes only. You are responsible for every decision you make. Have fun, be cautious, but always go to war. All right, team, and you guys probably noticed by now, man, I am posting my alerts through my bot. Now, listen, if you want my bot in your server, DM me and let's get to business, man. We are doing good things, and this is gaining a lot of traction, so hit me up. All right, so all three markets finished down on the day, and the bond yield stayed about the same, and we're talking about the 10-year. That's the one that we're really concerned with right now. Market movers and shakers, we got CEI, PROG, Lucid, and INM as most active. Now, CEI and PROG, those were definitely on the watch list, and I know I had Lucid on there as well as one of our EV plays. All those had potential to make money. You could have made money going up and could have made money going down. I saw people throwing champagne bottles and congrats because they were making money. Pay attention to the watch list. That's why they're out there. Top gainers, GIAC, IPAX, YQ. Top losers, Stein, ODT, BTB, and BEDU. Now listen, BTB, I'm not surprised because definitely crypto took a dive today and it's on its way down, man. The U.S. exchange definitely sold some assets in the crypto market, so pay attention to crypto because we might be seeing the downtrend, but could be a good opportunity to get in low in some of your favorite coins and ride them up for the next jump. All right, top news, Wall Street ends lower as retailers stoke inflation fears. NVIDIA forecasts upbeat revenue on metaverse hopes. Cisco forecasts downbeat profit as supply chain issues drive costs higher. Growth jobs and inflation clash in Biden Fed choice. And exclusive U.S. asks Japan, China, and other big countries to tap oil. So we got an oil play out there, and we're definitely paying attention to energy. So let's dig into this story a little bit. So what's going on, all right? Well, the Biden administration asked some of the world's largest oil consumer nations, the big boys, if they would start to tap into their crude reserves in a coordinated effort in order to lower the price of fuel and gas and oil and things of that nature, because it touched record highs or 7-year highs in October, and the demand has rebounded nearly to pre-pandemic levels. So definitely paying attention to this, and as you'll see in a few slides, energy has definitely been down and it's due for an uptick, and we need something to get this sector moving. All right, so what do we have? Wall Street ends lower as retailers stroke inflation fears. So this is about the inflation fears and things of that nature, right? So we got supply and demand going on, and supply chains are still being affected. Have you gone to a store in Walmart recently and noticed that the shelves are all out? Or you gone the next day and things are all packed, but then 2 days later it's completely gone? So supply and demand, right? The supply chain is definitely being crushed, and people are fear of long-term investments, especially in the retail sector. Look at Walmart, look at Target. Good earnings, but the growth and the future idea for the long-term investor is not there yet. So they're taking profits, they're securing profits often, and they're not getting in deep long-term. So pay attention to that as you're getting into your trades. All right, sector performance. Notice infotech, consumer discretion, and utilities, they're up, but notice what's down, and down huge. Energy, real estate, and communication services. All right, now I'm focusing on energy, okay, because look at that. Energy's 2% down over a 5-day period. The energy sector is due for a rebound. Now, it could still cool off a little bit more, but we're definitely going to pay attention to this sector finishing this week out, and especially in the next week, because it's due for a rebound, and we want to make sure we get into some of those stocks and ride them up while they get, strike while the iron's hot. All right, here's your futures and orders filled by Fidelity customers. Now, remember, futures, it's a glimpse into what could be. It's not set in stone, and so it's just basically an idea to get your strategy and your battle plan moving forward. Orders filled by Fidelity customers. I use Fidelity. You can use whatever one you want. They're all going to be about the same, but RIVN's hitting hard, Lucid's hitting hard, Tesla, NVIDIA, Prague, PayPal, SEV, Apple, Visa, and GOV. All right, let's look at some charts, man. Tesla, all right. Tesla, so popular and such a volatile stock, man. This thing moves and shakes. Now, I got your bottom level recent support level. I got the top in red. I got the top level of resistance up in blue. And we got some orange intra levels of both support and resistance, all right? So we're looking at this. If we can get above the 1104 and hold and close, then it's smooth sailing, in my opinion, to getting up to 1153. Now, if we can't hold that level, then I think Tesla's going to have a decline, and we're going to start tracking down below to the 1056, since we already touched it anyways. And if we don't bounce off from there, then we're going to go down to the next line. So definitely pay attention to Tesla. It's volatile, can go either way. We really have to see what it does in pre-market, but you guys know how I roll, man. I'm bullish on Tesla for life. It's a lifelong type of stock investment if you want to get into this. All right, and here's our running recap for the week of 15th and 19th November. Here's all the trades on the left. You see everything we've gotten in, where we've trimmed, and in blue, those are the swing trades that we're rolling with. And on the right, you'll see kind of the recap of our profit and loss and things of that nature. Now, we do have a couple that were fully expected and prepared to end worthless on Friday. However, with QCOM, Apple, Snap earlier this week, and SOFI, man, we are up huge. Oh, and GM, we are up huge. So overall, the end net at the end of the week, we're up huge in the green. So I'm not too worried about those expiring worthless, because overall, if you're making more money at the end of the week than you're losing, you're doing something right. So I'll blow this up so you can kind of see what's going on. All right, here's all the trades we gotten into. You see in the black, those are the trades. The purple are where we trimmed. Blue is kind of what we are still doing, kind of some notes and things of that nature. Notice I kept the original price we got in, also with the average down. And if you see it in red, that means we took a loss. And you see in green, we made some money. And I got little emojis to kind of give it a little bit of flair based off of my personality. So pause this, look to see what we're in, and we got some new trades that we got in today at the bottom. All right, guys, overall, we've done 35 trades this week. We sold 6. We're swinging 12. We've we've grossed $747. So far, we've taken $52 in loss. We're expecting to take some more losses by the end of the week, but we're up $695 with 4 wins, 2 losses, and as of today, a 67% win rate. Now, notice the purple, that's our runners and trimming. Those don't get added in until we fully come out of the position. So our total profit, loss, and difference will change, because once we come out of a position, we'll add in those runners that were associated with that position. So definitely more to end. But like I always say, man, you got to diversify, and you can't put your eggs in one basket. That's why I do so many different trades. And we hit some monsters today. Like I think of 3 monsters that we hit, and we've hit 5 monsters this entire week that definitely make it so that we end the week green. And that's always a good day, ending the week green and not red. All right, Lucid, a little more pronounced in my opinion as far as where Lucid's going to go. I see this cooling off, and I see this coming back down to the 47.53 area. That's my opinion. I think it may not happen this week, but it's definitely going to come back down there. I think people have been waiting on Lucid to reach this level for a long time. I think it's gotten up there, and I think people are going to profit take, and you're going to have some selling pressure coming in the near future. RIVN, if you haven't thought about it now, man, people are definitely profit taking when this thing skyrocketed up into like the $179 area, and then this thing just took a dive. All right, people are profit taking. There's a lot of selling pressure, and I see this continuing down. I wouldn't be surprised if we see the $128 range by the end of the week, if not early into next week. Apple, man, it's hard to bet against Apple. I mean, you could say that it's going to be on a downtrend, but with the way things are looking, man, I think we are on our way to trying to test that $155 range, and then on our way up to test that $157 again. So bullish on Apple, closing the week strong. BA, Another one. Now, I don't think we're going to close the week quite at like the $233 range and everything. However, I do think we close the week strong. I think we move up from here and we start trying to get up towards that 230 level. And you know I'm all about the market coalition here, so let's get into some of our affiliates and some of the other servers that I rock with and that we're partnership, and you might see me trading over there. Aloha Analytics, man. The people over there are solid and they got a lot of good things to offer, so go check these guys out. Exclusive Trading, man. You'll see me trading over there and they got some other good traders, so check out Exclusive Trading. Check out Chris Sain's Discord. You'll see me popping and locking over there with Mario and Chart Zaddy, and we have a good time over there. Dedicated Investors, man. These guys are good people, man. Brendan over there, he's a solid dude, and he runs his team, and they got a lot of good content and stuff like that. So check out Dedicated Investors. And you know I got to highlight my survey, TWR, man, a true one-stop shop that I created, man. This is my baby. Listen, I genuinely went out there and tried to get the best minds, the best information and everything. I don't care if you're a seasoned veteran or if you're a newbie, man, or if you're in it for options or stocks or whatever, man. We got something for you over here, and we're out there making moves. And as you see with the Market Coalition and all of our affiliates, man, everybody out here is trying to grow, learn, and share together, and we're trying to make sure that everybody eats. Now, we do have a couple things, though, because here at Traders War Room, we look at the stock market like it's a war zone. Stocks and sectors, those are our battles. We do it together as a team. If you're not ready to attack, conquer, and destroy, then you shouldn't go to the server, man. But if you're ready to do all that, and you like what you're hearing, and you're ready to rock with us, then all I got to say to you is follow me. Let's go to war. And don't forget, remember this logo, man, because this is coming out and we're coming out strong. So pay attention. Coming in January, you're going to see a lot of this. The Market Coalition coming to you soon. Just keep your eye open.